U.S. college enrollment has grown from approximately 60.3 million in 1990 to 68.3 million in 2000. Calculate the U.S. college enrollment for 1996 and predict the U.S. college enrollment for 2008. We can estimate real-life quantities that are not already known by using 2 points with known coordinates. So taking this information and plotting the value, we have 60.3 million students in 1990, we have 68.3 million in 2000, and we'll draw the line between those two given values. So the first order of business is to calculate the enrollment for 1996. To do that, we'll use our point-slope formula and pick a point to replace the subscripted variables along with the slope of this line that we have graphed. If you notice here on the y-axis, we set 1990 as our 0, and then 10 years later in 2000 is the placement of the enrollment given in the problem. So using either one of these points, the coordinate of this first point on the left will have an x value of 0 with a corresponding y value of 60.3. For the slope then, we're looking at what that change in the y value, in other words, the rise is per run between those two values. We have an increase between 60.3 and 68.3 of 8 million. That's our rise over a run of 10 years. Reducing 8 over 10 results in 4/5. So simplifying this equation by using the distributive property, the 0 cancels out here, leaving 4/5 x, and adding 60.3 to both sides, putting our equation in slope-intercept form, we have a model then for this given data. We're now ready then to answer the question of what is the enrollment in 1996, which would be 6 years past 1990. Doing the multiplication first and then addition results in 65.1 million. We also could have used the graph here. On the horizontal axis, our year 6 corresponds with 6 years past 1990, which we set at 0, and reading horizontally across to give us the value of 65.1. This process, when we have an unknown point located between 2 points, is known as interpolation. To answer the next question, which is to predict enrollment for 2008 beyond the latest data that was given, we will again go to our equation. 2008 is 18 years beyond our scale here, or beginning value of 1990. Replacing x with 18, simplifying the formula by multiplying first and then adding, gives us an answer of 74.7 million. We also could have used our graph, drawing a vertical line at 18, which again, 1990 plus 18 is 2008, and once reaching the line, reading horizontally over to determine the college enrollment in millions. If a graph passes through points that are extended to predict future values, we call this process extrapolation. In statistics, methods exist for a set of several points to interpolate or extrapolate values using the lines or other curves.